Welcome to this microeconomics question. You know that you have 45 seconds. You know I'm going to really irritate you by talking in the background. You know that that exerts extra pressure on you. So you know you've got extra pressure from noise. You know that you've got 45 seconds. And you know that this question is all about supply and demand interacting and the price mechanism. And you've got four different options. You know that one of them involves the phrase ceteris paribus, all things being equal. So you feel fairly confident that you can in fact answer the question. You know that supply and demand interact, and if demand shifts to the right, then that's an increase. If demand shifts to the left, it's a decrease. So if demand shifts to the right, supply extends and price rises. Supply shifts to the right, demand extends and price falls. Yes, that's a bit fast, but it's supposed to be. It's distracting you, but it's also reminding you about supply and demand and the price mechanism, which is what this question was about. So demand shifts to the left, supply contracts, price falls. Demand shifts to the right, supply extends, price rises. Supply shifts to the left, demand contracts, price rises. Supply shifts to the right, demand extends, price falls. Did that help you answer the question? Well, of course, you're now going to say what would really have helped you is if I'd just shut up. Wind your neck in, tone down the voice, just mute. That would have really helped you. But I'm not trying to make it easy for you. This is a proper test. 45 seconds and distraction of noise. Maybe you found it difficult. Maybe you're full of confidence and you know that you can go ahead to the next question, which incidentally is about the fundamental economic problem. Great. So with confidence, let's progress.